going to the beach.
Beach day. Are we almost there?
Yeah, but first we're gonna go to the store and get snacks.
Ooh, fun. So we'll see you at the beach.
See you at the beach. To the beach.
Oh, what are you gonna pick up?
Oh, these are cool.
Oh, yeah.
Or what if we get two? Made it to the beach.
Oh my goodness, are you gonna go in the water?
Yeah, but look at these cracks.
Oh wow.
And look, the water. Let's go get a little taste of it to see what it feels like.
Okay, lead the way. Ooh, shuttle.
Be careful, squinters. Be careful, squinters. No, please.
Is it freezing? Hadley, is it fun? What are you doing, Hads?
I have a shark gummy.
Ooh. Wow, like the sharks in the ocean?
Yeah.
How fun. Are you gonna play in the sand?
Yeah. Look. Try to guess what is this, kids? It's wood.
You're eating a shark.
Nom,
What
nom.
are we doing, Hans?
We're making a sandcastle.
Oh my goodness, here's a little one we got going.
And Daddy's getting rocks to
Daddy's
decorate.
collecting rocks to decorate.
And I'm spreading this out.
Oh, you're filling one of the castle bowls, huh? Beautiful day at the beach.
It looks like you're making cookies.
We left
It
California.
looks like you're making cookies.
Cookies. See a star?
Yeah.
Let's see it. Oh, that's a big star.
Yeah.
Your mermaid's watching you, huh?
She's on my team, and he's on Mommy's team.
Oh, I got the scuba diver guy.
Look, this is a star.
That is a star. The big star.
Big star.
Let's fill it with sand. Get our
Okay.
castles. I'm gonna make a whole castle village.
They bury my feet.
Oh my goodness, what happened to your feet, Holly?
I don't know. I don't have any feet. I just have a mermaid tail.
Oh my gosh, they're buried in the sand.
Oh no!
we-
We'll see you later.
Are we ever gonna find your feet? It's a mystery.
Yeah, but we have to make a mermaid tail first.
Okay.
My tail!
You do?
Look!
Oh my goodness. There's a mermaid tail where your feet used to be. Did you turn
Right?
into a mermaid?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I turned into a mermaid.
Now, how are you gonna swim to the ocean?
Oh, I got an idea.
What?
We're just kidding, kids.
Oh,
We
she
just
still
buried
has
our
feet.
feet.
Aww. Good joke. Fun. Feet in the sand.
Fun.
Beach. Beach.
We're playing ball.
You are? What kind of ball?
With a switch stick.
Baseball?
Yeah.
Oh, fun.
Wait, what is this one? Look,
Yeah, that's baseball.
yeah, we're playing baseball.
And you're eating a strawberry?
Ripe one.
Yum. Silly girl.
Sunscreen.
There's Daddy out there.
Look, sunscreen.
Okay.
We don't have that much stuff. I found a crab.
Oh my goodness, you did.
Yes, I
Wow.
found a crab.
Where
Was-
was it? Just on the beach?
Yeah, it's just on the sand, but it's dead.
Oh, it is.
Look, it's dead.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So sad. I want to keep it. I want to keep it. I want to keep it.
downhill, he's gonna go down this way. Cartwheel towards the ocean.
Woo! Good job.
Cartwheels by the ocean. Don't yell shark at me. Don't yell shark at me.
Let's try it again.
Right.
We're making a hole so we can put rocks in it and make a cake.
Oh, like beach cake?
Yes.
Wow, fun.
Bye. The Roxy Hadley subscribe for more tutorial, more fun. Bye.